Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life. So for today's video, I've decided to do a haul video. I do have some shares from KS Crafts, Alina Cuttle, and I do believe Tonic Studios. So anyways, these are just purchases that I have made with my own money, and I've been sitting on them for months now because I honestly don't have time to craft anymore. But we'll talk about that soon enough. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay friends, so I have this haul here, like I said earlier, KS Crafts, and I'm just going to go ahead and start showing you the pieces. And I want to give a shout out to Gina, who is my enabler. She is Gina Loves to Craft. And also this other lady who I watch, I don't recall what her name is because I'm really not familiar with her. It's Craft Purge. So anyways, whenever I see something that's KS Craft has come out with, I go ahead and go to Temu, and because for some reason it seems it is a lot cheaper at Temu, but the quantities are not so much, so you got to grab it, put it in your cart, check out, and be done with it, right? Plus no shipping charges, so gotta love that. So I went ahead and got this purse. I forgot where I saw whatchamacallit with this purse, but I thought that it would be the right size for me to turn this into a memory decks thing, and I have shown in previous videos how you can easily do that without necessarily having the memory decks dies. Okay, it's so super simple to do it. If I find that video, I'll go ahead and link you to it in the description area of this video. If not, well, just take my word for it. It's super simple. And I got this other one. This is like a bag topper, and it's actually smaller than I thought. I think there were a couple of different sizes for it, but it is smaller than I anticipated, but it is still usable, you know. And here's another one. Now, this was a little bit of a disappointment because I expected something more than this. And so it's a pretty simple window die in which you could make a box with it. And I guess you just embellish it and whatnot to make it look pretty, but it's very simple, very basic. I should say basic. It is the type of die set, window die set, that you have to add to it to make it look pretty. So, you know, just use your imagination on that. Now, this is one of my latest finds, and this is also KS Craft. This is a bow die set in which you can make shaker bows. My intention is not to make shaker bows, but actually to use it for Christmas. And so when I'm wrapping up the gifts, I want to make some really cute bows to go along with our gifts. So that's that. And this I got from Tonic Studios a while back, and I thought that these were super beautiful designs, and I went ahead and got those. And I think these were on clearance. I don't know if you're going to find them as of now, but I know that Tonic Studios is having a lot of end of the year sales and whatnot. And here is another border that I got from Tonic Studios. I think I paid something like $1 for this. It was so super cheap, and I love it because it has all the indentations that's going to leave on the kind of like an embossing marks that's going to leave on the paper, so I like that. This other die set is a cute teddy bear that I got also from KS Craft, and I got it from Temu, and I thought it was so super cute. And so here it is. I thought that she would be really, really sweet for one of my projects because I do tend to get back to crafting in 2025, so there we go. And here is another one. I saw this beautiful cupcake project picture over on Temu, and then I double checked with Allie to see if it was a KS Craft, and lo and behold it was. So I went ahead and decided to get it. I thought it was so super cute, and I have so many cupcake dies, guys, but I don't think I have this size. So yeah, we'll see what I can come up with next year. And here is another KS Craft die. It is a mini album die. See, opening it up for the first time, and I think I got this a couple of months back. It is a Christmas ho 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 mini album die. I'm not loving this part right here of the mini albums because I don't know, it's kind of clunky, I think, lack of a better word, but I do love the fact that I can go ahead and do something over here with it. I would have liked this for this to have been more of a, how would I put it, see, here's the case craft, geez, anyway, the word escapes me, but I would like this binding system to be something other than this, you know. But anyways, I thought it was really cute, and this is how big it is, so, you know, it's a keeper. And I don't know why I got this, because I have tons of these, so I'll probably wind up putting this in my shop for like a quarter or something like that. Now, here's another one. This was also a disappointment because it is a lot smaller than what I expected. But I like the shape and I like the form, and so I'll wind up doing something with it. This is kind of like a bomb box thingamajig. And so, yeah, I'll decide what to do sometime next year with it. And here is another border die. I went ahead and got several border dies at Temu. And so, how do you open this? See, all of these are unopened because I just simply haven't had the opportunity to do so. This is like a floral border. Oh, I have something nasty on my, I'm sorry about that. I've been doing a lot of working with ink in my printer and stuff, so it's really cute. I like that. Trust me, this looks better on paper than it does right now. And here is another border die that I got also from Temu, and I think each one of these was like $1, you know, can't go wrong with that. And here is this one that I also got from Temu, and I don't know, but I'm thinking that I have a very similar one to this. I don't know what made me purchase this. Perhaps because it looked like one of the older Spellbinders dies. You know, I'm not loving this part right here, but I do like this one. And the more that I look at it, I'm thinking, I think I have this die already. And it's Spellbinders. Anyways, let's keep going. Now here's another one. This is like a teddy bear die. I didn't open it. Anyways, you can see it right there. This is a teddy bear die, and I think it's a teddy bear die. No, wait. It looks like the eyes and the nose and the mouth. No, this is not a teddy bear die. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Okay, this is like a cart, you know, horse buggy die. That's what it is. Yeah, looks to me like a teddy bear die. You know how they say that your brain looks at something and it fetches whatever is familiar to you. So when I looked at this, I'm like, oh, it's a teddy bear. But no, it's actually a cart, because these are the wheels. See, these are the wheels. And it's like a princess cart thing that you can do something with. So I went ahead and got it. So, anyways. Now here is an interesting die. This is a bow die that I decided to get. And okay, so for this one, video got cut off and I can't tell where it got cut off from. So this one is a ticket memory decks thingamajig that I saw in a picture, and Temu had it. It is a KS Craft one, so I went ahead and got it because I thought it was really, really, really cute. And this, oh yeah, this is also KS Craft. I saw this and I was like, man, that is too cute to pass up. So this is like an ice cream milkshake, smoothie, whatever, in which you could do 3D design and so forth. And I thought it was so cool, and it's so fun to work with. So I'm looking forward to working with this sometime in July, Christmas in July or whatever. And I got this. This is also KS Craft, and I got this from Temu, which was priced lower, I believe. Or maybe I got, no, let me just, so it is a sizable, it's not a pumpkin, it's a gourd, for fall. And so I thought it was interesting, and I like the fact that it's going to emboss the, the cardstock. So I like that a lot. And so it's pretty sizable, when you get a lot of bang for your buck here. So I like that too. Did I just, oh my gosh, I bought 2 of them. Oh my gosh. Okay, see how bad I am. Okay, so anything extra, this one I'm also gonna go ahead and put it in my store. I'll probably sell it for $1 or something. So I'll put it in the clearance department. Okay, this one is I'm supposed to use it for mini albums. I saw and it was sizable and everything, so I said, yeah, I'm gonna use this in mini albums. And it is also KS Craft. See, here's the door. So this is a house, and I'm sure that we could, oh yes, look, you could use this die and something like that to make it more, I don't know, attention getter, grab your attention. I think these are ghosts. I don't know what those are. Oh, I see. This is the ice cream topper for this one. Oh yeah, this is a storefront or something like that. And when I saw their pictures at KS Craft for it, I was like, that is so cute. I need to get the whole set, right? So that's that. Oh yes, so this goes with this, and hopefully next year I'll have time to play with it. This is an accessory to the storefront for it, but I mean, you could do anything with it. I love this so much, and I like the fact that it's a big size, and I could probably do a shaped mini album out of this one too, so I kind of like that. Okay, this one is also KS Craft, and what I like about this one is the size. Now, this is not a nut, I forget what it's called, but it does have several layers, and that's what caught my attention, the layers to it. So yeah, I'm gonna wind up making a shape mini album sometime with this die. So I like that. Oh, and for the storefront for this one, this is the other, this is the other thing that I got with it that goes with this. So it's an ice cream parlor and baking goods and whatever. So I thought that was fun, and I got it. Now this one is absolutely cute. This is kind of like a butterfly. Yes, it is a butterfly bow. So I really, really like this, and I'm hoping to work with this sometime next year. It's also KS Craft. And here's another one. And this is a pumpkin, and it's also, I think Gina led me to this one when I saw one of her videos or something. Anyways, she and I chat about dyes a lot. Well, whenever we get a chance to chat. And so, yeah, she directs me to where she finds the best buys. So thank you, Gina, for that. So, yeah, I like that a lot. And here's another one. And again, what caught my eye was the stitching. I like that a lot, the stitching. It takes away from, I like the shape of this, but other than that, as you can see, it's very basic. But what takes away from the basic is that it has all these stitching. So that way it makes it pop out. So I like that about it. And here is an alphabet. here's an alphabet, what you call it, die set, and I really, really like the shape of it. I thought it was cute and elegant at the same time, so I'm hoping to use this sometime next year. Now, once again, I forget what I buy, right? So I buy the exact same thing. So this one is also gonna go in my see, this is the type of spine that I wish that those other mini album dies had, because I don't like that. The hose ones, I'll probably do something like it, you know, just cut off that part and add something to it. But yeah, one of these is gonna go in my store in clearance because, you know, I forget what I have and I just make a purchase. Now this one I really liked, and I do believe it is Alina Cuttle, or maybe not, I don't know. Maybe not. Oh my gosh. Okay. Like I said, it's been a while, right? So yeah, this one, I also plan to do something like a mini album with it. Anyways, it's supposed to be a card die, but what got my attention was this, not the horses or the unicorns, whatever. Unicorns, they didn't grab my attention. It was the shape of this. Okay, so yeah, that is my haul video. And what I was going to say, going into 2025, currently I am training somebody to work for me because the store, not only running the stores, because it's more than one, but doing my designs. It takes a lot of time for me to design something because I just pay attention to each and every single little detail, and the design is not done until I say it's done. So yeah, I'm hard-headed when it comes to something like that. You know, it's not done until I say it's done. So hopefully that will give me time to make more projects and make videos for you and share some crafty ideas with you. You know, I love to craft, and it's just been so busy. And busy is good, you know. And the thing about my stores is I'm not looking out to become wealthy or a millionaire with my stores. This is my way of giving back to a crafting community that has done so much for me. If you haven't already looked at my prices, you'd be like, wow, how do you ever make a buck? You know what? I don't. I just, as long as everything evens out and I get back the expenses that I put into the business, I am happy with it. This is my hobby. This is something that I'm doing to give back to the crafting community, to share some love with you, and to make crafting affordable for you, because oh my gosh, it's gotten so out of hand. You know, no wonder so many people are leaving the crafting community. If you look at the millennials and you look at the zennials and whatever's, they're no longer doing what we do. And sad to say, we are the last generation to do this. And so yeah, I'm hoping that by making it more accessible, more affordable, the 20-somethings, the 30-somethings will take a second look at what we do, and will continue with using their hands and making something unique and one of a kind with the tools that we give them. So yeah, that's my hope, you know. So yeah, thank you so very much for watching. In the comments section, let me know what you would like to see, what kind of designs you would like to see from me in 2025. I do pay attention to y'all's requests, so just let me know, okay? And leave me a thumbs up. It helps the video. And if you are here brand new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. There are really great things coming up in 2025, and so you'll know soon enough, okay? I will see you once again real soon, and have a wonderful Christmas and a fantastic 2025. Bye now.